How to recover deleted photos and videos from Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can recover the deleted photos and videos from Snapchat. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to recover your deleted photos and videos from Snapchat, first thing is you need to open up your Snapchat. After that is done, you can head over to your profile at the top right, top left, and open up the profile piece. After that, go ahead and open up the settings, and from settings you need to scroll down and go to the request my data option. The settings, go ahead and look out for this option, which is my data. Open it up and it may take a second to load. After that is done, what you need to do is go ahead and select the data that you want to download, and you can just go ahead and select it. After that is done, go ahead and tap on next and select the date range from where you want it to be downloaded. After that, confirm your email address, submit it, and Snapchat will email you a link to download the data. So that is it. It is a very easy method you can use in order to recover your deleted photos and videos from Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.